What's up everybody, Boosted Speed Demon here. I'm sure y'all have been wondering where's the probe videos, where's the car videos. Well, the truth is, with the state of things in this country right now, I have not made hardly anything this year. I've made like 12 grand so far for this year, which is very, very low for me, and it just is enough to pay bills, keep the daily drivers going. I've not had spare money to work on any of the cars, so unfortunately that's out right now until I'm back to work or I figure out how to get some sponsors on here or something. But right now the building cars part of this channel is on pause, but in the interim I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I still have all of them. Got the Civic, the Buick, both probes, and the GTP. GTP will be my oldest son's first car. I need a brake master cylinder for the red probe, which I haven't been able to find. I need a windshield for the black probe I haven't been able to find. So pretty much I've just been working on my two dailies, the Regal and the Civic, getting them running. They both run and drive good, and that's all I've been able to afford to do this year. So I figured I'd try something new. So basically I'm going to be doing a series of videos called The Basics, which is going to be teaching people how to do simple everyday life things that people like myself know how to do, but that a new driver or a girl that doesn't have a father figure or a son that doesn't have a father figure might not know how to do. And today is going to be the first episode, and this episode is going to be something very, very simple to us, but maybe not to others: how to pump gas. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your gas cap is on the correct side. And with modern cars, the way to know this is if you look at your gas gauge, you see the little gas pump with an arrow. That arrow is an indicator of what side of the car the gas fill is on. In my case, it's on the driver's side of the car, so driver's side of the car is to the pump. Next steps. So with modern pumps, you're going to have the option of paying at the pump or paying inside of the building. Most people choose to use their card at the pump, but you're usually limited to $75 or $100, and right now with gas prices the way that they are, that may not be enough, so I suggest going inside and paying at the counter. Alright, next step is going to be opening your gas door. There are two kinds. There are open from inside of the car and open from the outside. Usually the ones from the outside will have an indicator, a little place for you to stick your finger and pull it out. Obviously this one's not. So if you look in the car, you can almost always find where that is. In order to open the gas pump, you just push it down and it pops the gas door open. In my case, mine's broken, so I have to open it a different way, but that's how you would open it normally. After your gas door is open, you're going to turn your gas cap counterclockwise, and you're going to just unscrew it, put it out of the way, and then you're going to select your grade of gas. If you have a gasoline car, it'll be from these three. If you have a diesel, it'll be from this one. In my case, I have a higher performance car, so I run 92 octane, which is going to be this guy. So you are going to first grab the handle off, which activates the system. You see the lights flashing there, which indicate that they are available. You're going to push the number that you want, and then you will see the light turn on for that one, and it will display the price, and now you're ready to pump. You're going to insert the gas pump into the, and then you're going to pull the handle, and there's a little notch right here. As you can see, that's moving there. If you hold the handle and push that down, it'll lock it in place and pump it for you. As you can see, the numbers are displayed on how much gasoline and the money that it costs has been pumped into your car. Make sure you pay attention to this, because if it stops early before the amount that you put on the pump and you just hang up your thing and drive away, the gas station keeps that and you don't get it back. I put $55 in, knowing that with gas prices right now, it's not going to fill my car up. So I wait for it to go all the way up to 55, and when it's indicated done, I stop and let it continue to drain out the rest of the fuel from the line for 30 seconds, and then you can pull the pump out in reverse. After you have finished pumping gas, don't forget the important part of putting the cap back on and making sure that it's straightened, and then you tighten it till it feels like it's tight, and then listen for the click. That click is an automatic stop to make sure you don't over torque the cap and break it. So no matter how much you turn it, it's not going to get any tighter than that, but that's how you know that it's fully tight. It's important that you do that because the evaporator system for the emissions control on these cars will react if your cap is not sealed and tight. So make sure that's tight. Close your door. Now your car is full of fuel and you're ready to go.